Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Joseph. Today we're going to be making frijoles molidos and maduro frito. So we're going to have ripe plantains and we're going to have mashed beans. So frijole molido is mashed beans and plátano maduro frito is fried plantains. Our dish comprises of these ingredients, these basic ingredients. We have the plantains and then we have our beans. These beans, I boiled it last night with salt and also 3 cloves of garlic, and yeah, we have this nicely cooked beans. So we're just going to jump into the video. First of all, we have onions here, and then we have 2 cloves of garlic, and we have habanero pepper, which is optional. I just like a little bit of a kick in my mashed beans. Let's begin. Now add some salt to it. My chorizo spice. Avocado here. Let's get on with processing our beans and making our meal. So now this is our beans. We're gonna add in our garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add in half a pepper, and I'll place it here, and we'll go ahead and process this. We now have our mashed beans. And this is our mashed beans. It looks very nice, all heated. We'll toss in our onions. I will introduce our beans in here, into it. There we go. It's flattering already because of the liquid. But let me just try to spread it around so that it won't do that. Okay, so there we have it. We're going to be adding in my chorizo spice. So let me sprinkle a little bit on. Beautiful. Now this is thickening slowly. Now our frijole molido is ready. So the next stage is to fry our ripened plantain. I'm gonna add in our oil. I'll add in a clove of garlic just to serve as an aroma. So now to take out our garlic from this from the oil, and we'll put in our plantains. looking very good. I like the way it looks. So there we are. Very beautiful, very nicely fried plantains. This is amazing. Beautiful. You can take a look at it up here with my refried beans. You know, my maduro will go down well with my frijoles molido. So this is what we have today. I have the frijoles molido in a condiment jar, and I have my fried plantains nicely arranged. You know, my maduro nicely arranged, and some avocado on top of it just for additional protein. In Latin America, they also add queso fresco. I don't have the queso fresco, but I have Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to use the Parmesan cheese just to garnish this. There we go. And we'll have parsley. So this is our final presentation, and I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. Once again, my name is Prince Joseph, PJ for short, and I hope to see you next time. Take care of yourselves and love you all. Peace.
But